Everybody's Burger here. Welcome back to Farmer Son of Blow. Last time we did episode 1, 2. This time we do episode 1, 3.
What a storm. We'll have to close early.
Too bad we can't leave, though. We finally managed to dodge the late shift, and we're stuck here anyway. Well, this bed has my name on it. I'm gonna get some much-needed sleep.
Hey, isn't that investigator from Concordia supposed to stop by sometime today? I'm sure you'll be the first they'll want questioned.
Oh, don't worry, they won't be sending anyone out here in this weather.
I guess since no one else is around, all calls are being transferred to us. Dr. Blaylock speaking.
Is this the hospital? I need help. Someone's been badly injured.
Marcus, we have an emergency. Yes, this is Montgomery Memorial. Please remain calm. Now, can you tell me what happened?
A man was accidentally shot in the chest with a rifle. He's bleeding profusely. I estimate that he's already lost about 500 milliliters. His CS is 233.
All right, we'll prepare for your arrival. How long before you can get here?
Mister, how long will it take us to get there? 10 minutes. Can you get us there in 5? We'll be there in 5 to 10 minutes.
Got it. We'll be ready. All the nurses have gone home. We'll have to do this on our own. Can you prep the OR?
The IV, BGA, and CT are all ready to go. So is the blood count and cross-matching test. Looks like the storm's headed our way.
I'm so glad you're still open. Here's the patient.
We're ready for him.
I've managed to temporarily stop the bleeding, but his vitals have dropped significantly. He's been shot in the chest. It looks like the bullet's still lodged inside him. His condition is critical. There isn't a moment to lose.
Everyone's already gone home, so you'll have to help me get him on the stretcher.
No problem. I'm actually a nurse, so if you're short-handed, I can help you with the procedure.
Now it all makes sense. I was wondering how you knew to record all that information. We can definitely use your help. Come on, let's go. Marcus, the patient's here, and this girl is a nurse. She's going to help us.
Finally, some good news. So does she have a name?
Oh, sorry, I didn't think to ask you.
I'm Elena Salazar, from the Concordia Medical Institute in Los Angeles.
I'm surprised Concordia sent someone as young as you.
It's nice to see you again, Dr. Vaughn.
Have we met before?
Let's save the introductions for later. We've got an operation to perform.
I know this is an emergency, but please allow me to advise you on the situation. The patient is a Caucasian male in his 50s. He's suffering from a gunshot wound from a rifle. The bullet didn't exit his body. It's still inside him. Due to the excessive amount of bleeding, there's a possibility the bullet nicked his heart.
There's no time to waste.
He's lucky you got him here so quickly.
The objectives in this operation are to extract the bullet and treat the hemorrhaging areas. Okay, let's give it our all.
I'm ready to start.
Okay, let's give it our all. We need to treat the round seems to have entered the body here. Let's treat the gunshot wound before we open him up. I'll prepare the synthetic membrane. Please affix it to the wound. I'll prepare another one. This time, please be more careful, Doctor. Now affix it with antibiotics. The gunshot wound has been successfully treated. Now, let's all the external wounds have been treated. Let's open him up. He's in bad shape. Please keep an eye on his vitals while we treat his wounds. Doctor, you located the gunshot wound. We're dealing with his heart, so please be extremely careful when you let's drain the blood and determine the condition of the round. A mistake could be fatal. Please extract the round. What? Only half? This round is split in two. The other half must still be lodged inside. We have no choice. We have to open the gunshot wound wider with a scalpel.
Really?
We can't get a pulse with the round still lodged inside him. Please extract it quickly. Open up the gunshot wound with a scalpel and keep an eye on his vitals. A blood pool has formed. You've located the remaining piece. is extracted with the round has been extracted. Please treat the remaining wounds. That completes the treatment of the wounds. Now please resuscitate the patient using the defibrillator. Now this gauge displays the amount of power being charged. Press the Z and B buttons to get over the pulse. What a relief. Okay, let's close him up. Doctor, please close him up. Okay, let's finish by bandaging the sutured incision. That completes the operation. I was worried during that one part of the operation, but we made it.
That was a difficult operation, but it went well with your help. You're a very skilled nurse.
Really?
Yes, really. I'd love for you to assist us again sometime, if possible.
But first, we should clarify some things. What instructions did Professor Wilkins give you prior to coming here, Elena?
You're right. I shouldn't hide my true intentions. But I didn't come here to spy on you. And I didn't come here to help you. I came here to ask you to operate on me, Dr. Vaughn.
What?
It's the pumpkin that you implanted in my pancreas 7 years ago. It isn't going to last much longer. Please, Dr. Vaughn. You have to help me.
That's right.
Now I remember. So you're that little girl.
That's machine done, that's right. Next time on Trauma, Sam and Luke will be doing episode 1 4. See you guys then.